Today, I'm doing a short and sweet video. I'm here to show off a streaming box. So what is this streaming box and what can it do? The streaming box is the Arylic S10, and basically they call it a wireless streaming preamplifier. What this will allow you to do is add Bluetooth streaming function and a remote to powered speakers, amps, and things that otherwise would not have any kind of Bluetooth connectivity. This will allow you to add it to them. It comes in at around $100. So depending on what you got and what you want to hook up to, this could fit your system perfectly. So let's check out what comes in the box so you can see what all it comes with. We'll check out the device and then we'll hook it up and kind of see how it works. We'll also check out the app that goes with this that allows you to stream from several different music services. So you get, of course, the box itself. You've got a few lights up here, the auxiliary in, internet connection, Bluetooth and USB. On the back you have a USB power, you have the auxiliary out, USB input, and a LAN input if you do not want to use Wi-Fi. Included in the box is, of course, the power supply. You have an included remote which will allow you to remote control things that otherwise you would not have the ability to do, like say a little lapel amp. If you have something like this, you would not be able to remote control it. You'd have to manually turn it up and down every time you wanted to do that. With this, not only can you turn the volume up and down, but you can skip songs back and forth with the remote or on the app, which you will see later. Aside from those three things, you get a Y splitter RCA cable, 3.5 to 2 male RCA ends. You also get a 3.5 to 3.5 male, which could also be used for the lapel amp. So you can use either one of these in this situation. Your situation may vary and you may use one or the other. With that being said, let's get it hooked up. Let's get this little lapel amp hooked up to a speaker so we can kind of see how this works. All right, everything is hooked up now. I did have one issue. So this box can only be hooked up to 2.4 gigahertz wireless. The router that I'm using is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless and 5 gigahertz wireless, but it's one from AT&T and it doesn't let you choose 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, so it switches for you. I was having a little bit of issues with that, so to solve that problem, I just have an Ethernet cord here, went ahead and plugged it in, got everything sorted. Although I have had this hooked up to Wi-Fi in my house, it's more an issue of my router than the box itself. But do be aware, if you have a router like me where you can't easily force this to be on the 2.4 gigahertz network, you may run into these issues. So when you're ready to set this up, simply go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, download the 4Stream app that I already have downloaded here, and then open it up. It will walk you through step by step, search your device, find it, you'll be able to hook it up over Wi-Fi. You can also use a LAN port like I'm currently using, and once you get it all set up, it will let you in the app and show you all these streaming services available, as well as a few small features like an EQ, rename, and etc. So that being said, things hooked up, we're in the app, we can check everything out, and obviously you have a bunch of choices here ranging from Pandora to Spotify to Tidal, Amazon Music, just about anything you could need. So with that being said, let's check it out. We'll play a song real quick, get it started, and then we'll use the remote, and then we'll use the phone as a remote. So let's go ahead and see what I have pulled up here. So I can use the remote to change the volume this way. Almost all the way down. You can see it moving on the screen. If you want to turn it up a little bit quicker, you can just use your touchscreen. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward to use. Definitely a solid option if you're using something that doesn't already have Bluetooth streaming. The main benefit you're getting from this unit when you buy it is Bluetooth streaming on an amp that doesn't otherwise have it, the ability to have a remote for that amp, And thirdly, if you have more Arylic devices, you can do a multi-room setup that'll allow you to have like this in, say, the office where you might have computer speakers that are hooked up to a computer, but you don't want to actually have to use your computer to control it. You can use that, and you can run a whole house system with the Arylic, multi-room setup. If you want to check this out, obviously I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. I hope to see every single one of you on the next video.